Hello, in this video we'll talk about 5 best app with the trick at the end, so keep watching. So, our first app is Reachability Cursor. As phones are getting bigger and bigger, many times when we are using phone with our one hand, we are unable to reach to the particular section of the screen. That's where this app comes. And the next app is Switchly Swift. This is the app which will drastically increase multitasking. It allows us to quickly switch between apps. If you like this video so far, don't forget to leave a like. So, the next app is Google Keep. Do you remind yourself of important tasks and motivational quotes with sticky notes on your desktop monitor? Google Keep is your next best alternative to keep those notes on all your devices. It's a sticky note app that works everywhere, with digital copies of the standard sticky note colors. I will be posting more videos like this, so hit that red button. Next up we have Google Indie Keyboard. This keyboard is filled with features like swipe to type. If you get used to it, it will make typing much faster, and with Indie Keyboard we can easily type in our Indian languages like Hindi, Gujarati. Next up we have Skill Apps. Our phone is full of many apps, and there are so many apps running in the background, which might slow your device. This is so far the best app to close the background apps. Now, getting to bonus trick. Did you know you can stabilize your video in Google Photos? Just open the app, select your video, click Edit, and Stabilize. This will give much stabilized and smooth footage. Thank you for watching this video. Like if you like the video, share and let your friends know about this. And comment other apps which you know.